All right, hello, history students. It's gold day number 7 now. We're going to continue on with a kind of like a review about the Federalist and Anti-Federalist stuff that you learned last gold day. Just another extra practice to really make sure you nail it down. Today, you're going to be reading this online, all right? It's just a quick one-page review about the Federalist and the Anti-Federalist. Then afterwards, once you're done reading it, you're going to be taking a short quiz. The quiz is the same thing as what would have been on the back side of your paper, but it's called Federalist and Anti-Federalist. Who would say that? So in the quiz, it's a little different than a normal quiz because you're going to get a statement, meaning just this is something that either a Federalist would say or an Anti-Federalist would say. You're going to read the statement. And then when you read it, you're going to decide, all right, does that sound like someone who was an anti-federalist, meaning against the Constitution for whatever reason, or does it sound like something a federalist might say, a person that was all for the Constitution? All right, so for example, if the phrase said, the president created by the Constitution sounds just like a king would sound, well, think about who would say that. All right, would that sound like someone who was for the Constitution or against the Constitution? So, if you had that statement, the president is just like a king, well, that would probably be something that then an anti-federalist would say, people who are against passing the Constitution, right? So, that's your goal for today. Do that one-page reading and take that quiz, and remember these directions while you take that quiz, that it's who would say that, all right? So if it sounds like something a Federalist would have said, choose Federalist. That means that they support the Constitution, and then the opposite, Anti-Federalist. All right, but you do need to still do this reading because some of the info that will come in that quiz is going to be in the reading, all right? Otherwise, please, if you have questions, keep letting me know. Check in, send a message, say hi, all right? Hopefully that you're doing well at home. Otherwise, have a good day. Have a good one.